Hello, it's Shiboni, your host for the day, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the new week.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the headlines. Mangalorean engineer Sarang Mohammad Naeem released by Afghanian abductors. Mangalorean kids have royal time at ice cream eating competition. And in our entertainment bash, we have a melodious Hindi duet, a Konkani dance by the Nat Soban, and a song from the Tulu movie Badi.
Apurva for Aptland.
News in detail. After days and days of anxious wait, sincere prayers and untellable sorrow, it was jubilation time at the Sarang household. Sarang Mohammad Naeem, who had been kidnapped in Afghanistan nearly a month ago, was released by his abductors, and Naeem's parents could not hold back their tears of inexpressible joy. When Daiji World team visited the Sarang house to interview the family, the happiness and relief was very much evident in the faces of everyone present. After days and days of anxious wait, sincere prayers and untellable sorrow, it was jubilation time at the Sarang household. Sarang Mohammad Naeem, who had been kidnapped in Afghanistan nearly a month ago, was released by his abductors, and Naeem's parents could not hold back their tears of inexpressible joy. When Daiji World team visited the Sarang house to interview the family, the happiness and relief was very much evident in the faces of everyone present. Naeem's father, Sarang Mohammad Hussain, told Daiji World, "I have never been so happy in my life. My third child, Naeem, had got a second birth. He was released by the abductors 3 days ago, and he had to walk for 3 days to reach the nearest city." Naeem was abducted in Herat, Afghanistan in April. He was an employee of the HEB Logistics, an American company. Narrating as to how the family came to know of Naeem's release, Hussain said, "We came to know on this morning, Sunday, May 18th at 6:30 am from the HEB Logistics Company Director, Sunil Shetty, who called up to break the news. Immediately after that, Naeem also spoke to all the family members. He sounded very tired." Sunil Shetty said that he would arrange a party in Mangalore, said a jubilant Hussain.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು. ಸುನಿಲ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರದ್ದು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆದ. ಅವರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದರು. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಬೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೂಡ RP ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಮಾಂಡರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆದರಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಫ್ಘಾನ್ ಎಂಬಾಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅವರು 2 ದಿವಸ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
The locals have been visiting the Sarang household since the time the news of Naeem's release first broke. Naeem is now in Kabul. He was released after his company paid the ransom demanded by the abductors. However, the amount paid is not yet known. He will be reaching India in 2 days' time and his parents will go to receive him at Mumbai.
ಅವರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು 2 ದಿವಸ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವತಃ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಅವರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡುವೆನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್.
इससे बड़ी खुशी और क्या हो सकती है? What happiness could be greater than this? Was all that Naeem's mother, Chand Sultana, could say. She had no words to describe her exhilaration. She added, on the phone Naeem said that he was not physically tortured nor harmed by the abductors. He was even offering namaz with the kidnappers. I thank God for keeping my son safe and sound and returning him back to us.
इससे बड़ी खुशी कौन सी हो सकती है?
आपके साथ बात किया मैं?
हाँ, मेरे से बात किया. कैसे है तुम? अच्छे है क्या? तबीयत कैसी है तुम्हारी? बोल के बहुत खुशी है, अब कुछ बोलने नहीं सकते. अब सब क्या, पूरी दुनिया खुश है. हमारे बच्चे बोल के नहीं, हमारे को सबने साथ दिए, सभी हमारे सब खुश है हमारे से. अभी कितना उसका वो शुक्र करेंगे, उसका कोई हम हिसाब नहीं दे सकते.
The family is celebrating by distributing sweets to all the relatives, neighbors, friends and well-wishers who came to their house to congratulate them. Hussain expressed his gratitude to all those who have worked for his son's release. He specially thanked Abdul Majid Suralpari, a local who was with them in their times of sorrow, and Udpi District Congress President M.A. Ghafoor. He also thanked Union Ministers Renuka Chaudhary, Oscar Fernandez and Indian National Congress President Sonia Gandhi, with whom the family had interacted during her visit on Tuesday, May 13th. He said that speaking to them made a big difference, as later the issue was raised in the parliament, which ultimately led to the Naeem's release. The family is celebrating after many days of mental agony. The relief and exuberance of the parents at learning their son was safe and about to return home is too great to be described in words.
ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ DC ಗೆ, SCಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗಫೂರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ, ಓಸ್ಕರ್ ಫೆರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
I'm sure that no words will be enough to explain the joy and relief of Naeem's family. It's beyond explanation. As Naeem's father put it in short, it's second birth to Naeem, and all those worked, prayed and wished for his release need our special appreciation. Kids from Mangalore were in for a royal treat on Sunday, May 18th evening as they gobbled down loads of ice creams at the ice cream competition organized by Dinky Ice Cream and Junior Chamber of India at Kadri Park. The children of the city had a great opportunity to enjoy eating ice cream at Kadri Park on Sunday, May 18th and win prizes. Nearly 230 children participated in the ice cream eating competition organized by Dinky Ice Cream and Junior Chamber of India. It was a royal treat for the children to consume the delicacy in the scorching heat of the sun. Parents too encouraged their wards to eat more ice cream and win prizes. The competition was held at the junior and senior level. Attractive prizes were awarded to the winners. Journalist Agnel Rodriguez, the chief guest of the program, distributed the prizes. With this, we have come to the end of our news section. We still have an exciting entertainment coming on your way, but only after this short commercial break.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
Builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.